Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but since 1981 you all know me as the van guy. So if you call in or have a question, ask for the van guy. They'll hook you up. Or you can call me at 541-554-9581. We have a rare find, 2018 Winnebago era 170X. 7,000 miles. Yes, it is used. Well, almost like brand new, but it has a previous owner. Somebody's looking for a 4-chair model, and we also offer 4 chairs in the Coachman Galleria and also in Road Trek RS Adventurous. This is just another offering that we have here at Guaranty. Okay, let's pop in. We'll turn on all of the lights, put a little action in here. This is a 24-foot van. Electric couch slides forward, makes into twin beds. So this makes into twin beds. You've got another controls back here for your master light switch. So if you're in the bedroom, you can reach down like I did and shut all the lights off. It's got a switch to make the bed down. And back up. Looks like the battery's a little low. MCD shades, and they attach down here. Your windows crank out for ventilation, and that works on both sides. You got a TV set here that swings around, and you can watch it from up front. Underneath here, you got your entertainment center, DVD. Everything's all Bluetooth. Got a compartment you can probably put a satellite receiver if you wanted to and hook that up. And these are all self-closing doors. And when you grab them, you just have to not hit this metal panel. Just grab the tip of this. Here's all your owner's information. You can see this is a big storage area. They do have positive latches on all this. And if you just take a look at all of this ridiculous storage. Now that's a lot of storage, I'm here to tell you. Kitchen, nice countertop, solid surface, Corian, 3 burners. I think it's the only camper van on the market that has 3 burners. But what's special about the 3 burners? You can pop this out, clean everything, make it nice and easy to clean everything out into your sink and then finish up there. Single lever faucet, nice stainless steel sink, all one piece. And it does have nice drawer storage, positive latches. They're nice and curved, very nice to the eye. Compressor refrigerator, freezer up on top. 110 outlet is right here with a GFI. More drawer storage. And then right above that, convection microwave. So now you have a way to bake as well. Moving over to the bathroom. We'll squeeze these doors in to make it easier to see. They put a towel bar in here. You also have a vent that you can push up for ventilation. Of course, your shower's right here. Pull that off. You have your separate faucet. Hanger up above. Toilet paper is closed up. And it drains down below. There's another vent in here for the Truma heating system. Make sure that you've got plenty of heat while you're taking your shower. So I taken the seats, turned them all the way around. That way you can see that you can put a table up here, have seating for 4 people. It's got a nice big screen. They used an aftermarket screen. It's twice as big as the German model. And it's Bluetooth, power steering, power windows, power locks, 6-cylinder Mercedes diesel turbo. 20 to 22 miles per gallon. Control panels over here. This is all soft touch. Has all your different parts of your unit that you can check on. Solar control panel. It's got a solar up on top, even with the disconnect done. This is still charging. You got all your light controls here. This is a remote for your fantastic fan, and your Truma is right here. Let's pop around outside. All right, the battery disconnect. Here's your full-length electric awning. It's all power. It's got a wind sensor, so if you run it out, wind comes up and moves it up and down, it runs itself in. Underneath here, you got cable, 12 volts, 110, and the hook up here. Backup cameras right up on top for great visibility. This is where your tabletop hides, and then there's a little access underneath for your water. Trailer hitch, 5,000 pounds towing capacity. Got the wiring already done. Exhaust for your generator. This is your Truma heating system for your water and your heat. And this is very low temperature. You don't have to worry about being burned. Outdoor shower, 110 shore cord. This is for your refrigerator. Macerator system and all your controls for your water. Propane, easy to get to and fill. And like all Mercedes-Benz, behind door number one is door number two. That way you have a control over your diesel fuel to make sure nobody takes it away or adds something to it. And this little round thing right here on the dash, it's a Mobileye. It's a crash avoidance. It does a lot more than the Mercedes products does. There are some advantages, and I'd be happy to go through those with you. A pretty quick walkthrough. If you got some questions, I already told you. Call in and ask for the van guy, or call me direct at 541-554-9581. Have a great day.